So I'm going to keep this really straightforward, really brief, straight to the point. I'm going to do you a quick unboxing and a review on these wireless lav mics. So these are the EYK brand C100. Came across these on Amazon when I was just looking for a wireless lav mic kit for an assignment that I've got coming up. Didn't want to spend loads and loads of money on them because it's not something I use that often, so I just wanted some sort of mediocre wireless lav kit. Did want something that ran on UHF, not 2.4 gig. I've had some of the Boya 2.4 gig digital ones before, and I did a review actually on my channel, and they were absolutely garbage. So don't recommend them whatsoever. If you're wanting lav mics, stick to good old UHF manual radio frequency. Can't go wrong. So I have unboxed them already, and I have had them out and I've had a play with them, and I'll just tell you straight to the point, I was really impressed by the quality and the usability of these. So I couldn't find any videos on YouTube about these, so I've decided to just make you guys a really quick brief review, unboxing, quick setup, and then I'll do a really quick test as well. So let's not drone on, let's crack straight on. So open the box, you get obviously your instruction manual, how to set these up, but you don't really need this. It's really just simple. It's a case of putting batteries in, turning it on, that's it, the end. I can't remember off the top of my head how many channels they've got, but we'll have a quick look when I power them on, and just a few data sheet, a few specs and things like, oh sorry, there we go, we've got a 30 channel range on them. So yeah, for camera, you can use it on mobile phone as well. It comes with two different adapters. So let's get this out, nice bit of packaging. So in here we've got a receiver, transmitter, we've got your link cables, there's two of them I believe, one for camera and one for your smartphone, I think it is, if you're using it on a smartphone, something like that. You've got a nice little bracket here as well that just sits on top of the camera hot shoe to hold your receiver, which is cool. I like that, that's nice. So let's get them out. You've got your link cable here, which is obviously labelled up mobile phone line. A nice mic, I believe this is stereo as well. Could be wrong, it could be just a mono mic, but I would have thought it'll be stereo. Everything feels really good quality actually, to say how cheap it was, and obviously it's not a high grade kit. Everything is actually really well built, which I'm impressed with. So let's get that out. You've got another link cable here, which is for the camera you're using on your DSLR or your mirrorless. This I'd not actually even noticed the first time around. It looks like we've got some sort of stationary mic, secondary mic. I like that. That's cool. Spare microphone heads. Screwdriver. Something, I'm not sure what, because there's nothing to actually screw together. And transmitter and receiver. And like I said earlier on in the video, there is literally nothing to this. I put some batteries in, powered it on, and it just worked. No pairing or anything like that, nothing to connect up. I remember just powering it on, press that once, the receiver's on there straight away. You've got your red light on the top to show you it's on. Transmitter, again, just press it once, maybe press and hold for a second or so. And there you have it, that's on. Believe that's its channel, what it's on, that's showing the sort of the megahertz of its channel. You've got your volume here, obviously your transmit volume for your microphone, and if you click select, obviously here you can select your channels, and I believe it goes up to 30 channels, I think, or there might be 5 channels on here. Oh sorry, it's me doing it wrong, you just have to keep pressing channel. And there is 30 I believe, yeah, channel 30, so I'll leave it on channel 1. It's volume again, think I found that volume 2, the sensitivity on it is really good. I think I found that volume number 2 was ample for use on Sony DSLR A7 III that I'm using. So I'm going to leave that. I'll just put this back through. Alright, okay, so I'm going to leave that on channel 1 and leave that be. So that's it, that's all there is to it really. That's all. That's showing you've got your power light on the top there, and you can also see a green light in your headphone out socket, and the green light you can see in the front to show you it's powered on. That's another thing just to mention, you can actually monitor your audio on it with your headphones, which is a nice cool feature. You usually find that on more expensive, higher end lav kits, but yeah, you can monitor the audio, and again, works really well. So yeah, I'm going to give it a quick test, and then just obviously add this into the video and show you guys what it sounds like. Right then, so I've mic'd myself up, and I'm just dropping you a really quick test now. Distance from myself to the camera is roughly about 5 meters, so you should gauge some idea of what the audio quality is like. This is obviously the standard mic, everything is that came with the kit. I'm not using anything different. I'll also drop up a quick photo of how the receiver pack looks mounted on the actual camera itself, so you can see how bulky it is and how big it is in comparison to the A7 Mark III that I'm using. Settings wise, I've got the volume on the transmitter pack to the lowest that it'll go, which is volume 1, and the audio, in-camera audio settings, the gain's sort of set to volume 12, which I think is like the baseline for the Sony mirrorless cameras, and that's certainly the volume that I've always used in the past on any sort of microphone, and then just controlled the gain on the actual mic itself. So yeah, just a really brief test, 5 meters in distance. I'm not going to go into doing a full range test today and see how far it goes until it drops out, and probably do that in a different video. I just wanted to get some content up on YouTube, and just a brief overview and a review of these mics themselves. So I'm going to sign off. I hope this review has been helpful for you, and it might influence some of you to give these a try. But overall, I'm really pleased with my kit. It'll come in handy for me without spending a fortune, and my phone's ringing now. So yeah, I'm signing off, and thanks for watching.